In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Outlook quickly and easily, specifically for the 2025 version. Let's get started, and you'll see just how simple this process can be. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to https://outlook.office.com. This is where you'll find the web version of Microsoft Outlook. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. This could be your personal account, or if you're using Outlook at your workplace, your work account will do. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. After logging in, locate your profile icon. You'll see this at the top right corner of the screen. It might appear as a small circle containing either your initials or your current profile photo if you've set one up previously. Go ahead and give it a click. This icon is your gateway to managing various aspects of your profile. Once you've clicked your profile icon, you'll see an option that says either Edit Profile or My Microsoft Account. Choose one of these options. They're essentially pathways to the same destination, allowing you to make changes to your profile settings, including your profile picture. After selecting the appropriate option, look for a button labeled either Change Picture or Add a Picture. Clicking this will open up a prompt where you can select a new image. This is where you get to choose a fresh photo that you'd like to use as your representation across Microsoft services. Before you finalize your new profile picture, you'll have the opportunity to upload the image of your choice. When you do, you might want to take a moment to adjust it to your liking. Depending on the photo and how it's displayed, a small adjustment might make it look just right. Once everything looks good, be sure to click Save. This acts as a confirmation, and your new profile photo will start to update across Microsoft services. Now, just a quick note about timing. Your updated profile picture should appear in Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and any other associated Microsoft apps within a few minutes. So, if you don't see it immediately, there's no need to worry. It just might take a little time to sync across all those platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Microsoft Outlook. By following these straightforward steps, you can refresh your online presence with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit it anytime you need a quick refresher.